Hello everyone, I'm Nicole Suarez. I'm an independent journalist and I got this opportunity to be part of the Ponsache Fest, and it's been a very enriching experience for me because it's one thing to write about the festival and it is another to be actually part of it, organizing it, see how it all comes together, because it is a community event. It is purely on a volunteer basis, and people come from all over Goa. We have people from Lotuli, we have people from Pilen and other parts who have come here. We have visitors which are coming in, throughout the festival to see what makes, we see the ponos on every tree in our neighborhood, but there are so many traditional dishes, and it is part of our culture, of our traditions, it is part of our Sanjuang celebrations as well. So it's a very versatile fruit and it is gaining immense popularity.
And a big thank you to the Goa College of Pharmacy, Panchim, for providing us with an accessible venue. This is a real beautiful venue wherein, persons with disabilities can come in for the festival. I have with me Chef Maria Diaz from Pilen and Chef Vinita Simoish from Kalangut. So please patronize the stalls. So without wasting any time, we give the mic to Prakash.
Hello, good evening everybody, and welcome to yet another Goiche Fest by our Marius Fernandez and his Festa team. For your information, let me say that Marius Fernandez has been doing this fest for over 25 years, and this is his 84th festival, and these festivals are to recognize Goa's heritage, culture, the life of people, and empowering marginalized communities within Goa. And also today another significant milestone is there. That is, this is the 24th World Goa Day, and this World Goa Day recognition of Goa was started by Marius Fernandez 24 years back, and so we are celebrating these two things. About festival, I have been saying it earlier also, these are inclusive and festivals for all communities to come together. We are celebrating diversity in our life. We are celebrating persons with disability. We have here persons with visual impairment from National Association of Blind, Santa Cruz. We have here persons with visual impairment and intellectual disability from Lokvishwas Special School from Punda. These people, whenever Marius gives a call, these people send their students, send their children, so that these people, now these children who have come, some of them visual impaired and intellectual disability children will paint here. Live painting they will do. Some of these children and even a teacher, they are singers also. One boy, 100% visual impaired, sitting in front of you is Saish Gauthankar, and another, his colleague is Brijesh. Saish Gauthankar is 100% visual impaired, and his colleague on chessboard is Brijesh, he is partial visual impaired. So these people, they are empowered by education, by technology, and such people, Marius Fernandez gets them at the festival so that people at large understand, become aware about disability and inclusion, that they are to be accommodated, they are to be empowered. So we come to yet another festival, and I request all of you here, we today also celebrate Ghumar, which is a Goa's state instrument. We have here a young boy, Sukshan Redkar, who will be playing Ghumar later on during the festival time. So I welcome all of you. Enjoy here. There are stalls by people, by women from marginalized communities. There are stalls from persons with disabilities. They have displayed their skills. They have brought their services and products. Please encourage them. Thank you very much.
Welcome to this 84th Fest, which is the Ponsache Fest. Ponos or jackfruit is something that we celebrate and we remember at the time of Sanjuang, which will be celebrated on Monday. So we have included this particular tree and the fruit as a festival for people in Goa to celebrate. It's a plant that was neglected, which now you can grow in your own homes, but it has drawn world attention. You have named varieties in jackfruit, which you can grow. Yellow, cream color, red color, grafts are available also. So this festival, the main thing from my point of view is it brings the community together. Everyone. There is no one who is excluded. It's a totally inclusive festival that brings the old culture of Goa. When we used to have maybe the Bikareche Dawn or the village feast or the Radai or the Puja, where everyone came together irrespective of what they may be otherwise. So this is a celebration and I hope that you will enjoy it and remember it.
Just a few words. I would like to thank the media for coming close to yet again to support this event. And I can see a lot of our friends here. And we cannot forget our friends here from National Association of the Blind, Lok Vishwas, Tukaram's here, Santan's here, our chess friends are here. 4 years ago we had done a festival called Buzganje Fest in Santa Cruz. So I'm happy that they're loyal to me and they keep coming wherever we go. So we won't take much time because the next program is all ready. You have to turn back. We're going to start slicing the ponos, cutting the ponos. Yes.
Festival, we have a wide curation of items. Most of them are purely handmade. We have people who have made crochet items. We have macrame. Also, we have a display of traditional food items which you don't see, like the pude and other Goan snacks.
fest, and as you know, Ponos it means jackfruit in English, and there are many fruits that you know, that apple, mango, and so and so. And jackfruit is one of the fruit which we are celebrating today, okay, as a festival, and we can make a lot of things out of jackfruit as we'll be looking forward.
मुझे नाव मारिया डायस पणसाचें फेस्त बरें लागले. हांवें हाडला सामाराची कोडी, बोमलांचे, बिबीक, गोरे, चॉप्स, चिकन चॉप्स, प्रॉन चॉप्स, रिसॉयस, पिझ्झा.
My name is Audrey Fernandez and I'm from Pilen. We have come for the Ponsache Fest, which is celebrated during the St. John the Baptist feast. Home cooked food, whatever we all bring and sell at the Pilen Heritage Market in front of the church. This is to help all the women to be independent and do things for themselves. Yes, these pickles are all garalagi kela. आणि आमे आमगे खूप आमे हा.
I'm here today at Panjim, and for the first time we are displaying many things here out of handicraft work, creative things, and I am come all the way from Ambora, and I have put up a stall for the first time, and I made some of the handicraft works of mine, and I hope you like it.
माझे नाव डॉरटी डिसूजा. हांव स्नॅक्स घेवन येयलां आनी पणसाचे आमी दोस करता.
Okay, my name is Kazar D'Souza. I'm from Pilen, and today here they are celebrating Ponsache Fest, and they have a lovely pop-up here, and a lot of jackfruits and eatable snacks, a lot of homemade pickles too. So yes, please come and enjoy.
Hello, my name is Sucheta Bhandare and my company name is Earth Purna Life LLP. We work on millets. We make millet-based healthy food products. We have range of some ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook food products. We believe that customers should get freshly made and nutrition-rich food. So our laddus are only with jaggery or date as a sweetener. So we don't use processed sugar in our products. And recently we launched pre-mixes that are pancake mix, dosa mix, paratha mixes. So kids will like it. So you just have to add water or milk in pancake and you can make pancake at home.
jewelry and accessories of paper quilling and polymer clay. So in paper quilling we have keychains, magnets, earrings, and same thing in polymer clay, bracelets and all. So yeah, hair sticks also.
The display there, it is very colorful. You can enjoy it. You will find it really pleasing to your eyes. There are people from different backgrounds who have come here. They are disabled, there are challenges which they have faced, and these people are very much creative, and they have lot of confidence in themselves. They have enriched their lives in different ways, and you can see it through their creativity that they are presenting, through singing, through their activities that they have presented, through the items that they are displayed on the whole.
Festival, actually it's really good. The environment is here. Ponsarche Fest. Finest is jackfruit from Goa, and very nutrition rich and very health benefit of jackfruit have. So I'm glad that we took part of this festival. Yes, I like. We make many products of jackfruit. So recently we make that Ponsarche pori at home, and Ponsarche bhaji we make regularly. So I like jackfruit a lot.
Hello, I'm Sabina. I'm here today at the Ponsarche Fest in Panjim Pharmacy College. And today we have a stall here supporting the women's group of hemophilia. Hemophilia is a bleeding disorder. There are many types of bleeding disorder like Lanzmann, hemophilia, everything. So in this disability, in the body, the factors are missing. So anytime if the patient is having an internal bleed or so, but due to the factors missing, they have an internal injury. And when the medicines are not provided on time, they can get lifetime disability. So we have a lot of patients with us, and we are either the mothers or sisters or the family members. Like girls are basically the carriers, but the male child is the one who has to bear the consequences of this. So many of our members in hemophilia are like born with hemophilia, but later on a later stage they come to know that they have hemophilia because of the bleeds and the bruises and whatever they get into. And many have been on the wheelchair or even bedridden for long years because of not getting the actual required facilities. But now with Hemophilia Society and with GMC and everyone, we have there's an open 144 ward for hemophilia patients. So, and also medicines are given, provided everything is free. So anytime in your families too, you all have patients, you all have heard something like this where the bleeding is there and doesn't stop. So please do get in touch with us. And this is a stall today to please come and patronize us. It is a help for the Hemophilia Society. This is the Ponsarche Fest, which Maurice it's 84th Fest. So he always has his festivals on different kinds of themes in Goa, like Ponsarche Zao, Patoleche Zao. In the rains he'll have rainy festivals on the fruits, like Ambyache Fest Asta, and so many. They are on different varieties of fruits, wherein he gives in insights of why these fruits and why these things are useful, and especially some of the today's generation to maybe kon jackfruit pong nasle because it's not available very easily in today's world. So it's more of awareness, and in this festivals he combines all kind of even marginalized sectors or disability sector, and he gives chance to everybody to come forward and also to win their livelihood.
Hi, I'm Yachika and my brand is called Sirka. I make homemade pickles and sauces, and this is how my jar looks. So I've come for the Ponsache Fest in the spirit of Sanjao, organized by Maris, and it's a lovely event. I've got 15 different homemade flavors of pickles, and I make it myself without any preservatives. Recipes are passed down from my mom and grandmom for the last 100 years. And today I've got all of them available here along with a full tasting panel. So for the first time you can taste all the pickles before you make a decision to buy them. Hope to see you here.
Hi, I'm Joanne and my stall name is The Naughty Charm. I make crochet and amigurumi products. It is very good and it's very nice that they are bringing awareness about the jackfruit, which is a fruit that's so tasty and can be made use, or you can cook it in so many different ways. So one way that I would like to have jackfruit is a fritter. It's called philos in Konkani, and it's a nice accompaniment to have during this rains with a nice cup of tea.
We are a parent support group called TIES, Towards Inclusion Everywhere in Society, and we have now a vocational day program for our adults who are now beyond the age of schooling, and most of the products that we do are made of canvas. There's art on canvas, which is printing and other techniques, and converted to usable products. So you see mobile pouches, all these are products done on canvas which can be washed, and these are block printing techniques that our children have been doing. There are some coasters using the Goa brand, that's recycling bottles into bottle plant holders, quite a few things. We are trying to be as sustainable as possible, and this is Ashwin, who has his own brand doing mat embroidery. These are trays, cushion covers, and planters and runners. Different, again, usable products that can be using their skills and making them viable in the market. That's our special educator. So it's all done under a guidance of a special educator. Pardon? I think we are going to have fun because it's all Goan and we are trying to promote Goa and sustainability.
माझें नाव यश, हांव लोकेश्वर स्पेशल स्कूल फोंडा दवळी. हे प्रोडक्ट घेवन येयल्या. हे सगळे आमी तयार करता. हो सिजन आमचो आकाशदिवे, राखयो, पोंट्यो, एनोलो सगळे तयार करता. मागीर स्टॉल लायता. तेतूनच्यान पयशे मेळता ते आमकां दिता.
Hello, my name is Jolene Mascarenas, and my stall has all handmade stuff. I paint these, I make all of these at home, handmade by me, and I sell it online on my Instagram page, which is Craftinit.
I'm Mrs. Luisa Fernandez. I'm from Pilen, and very happy to be a part of this Ponsache Fest. I was invited by Sir Marius and Dr. Gwendolyn. So happy. So I've got all my things what I have made at home, prepared at home. Everything is prepared at home. So far the response is good. There is crowd coming in and hoping we'll go empty home.
We are very happy to be here today at the Ponsache Fest. For the last 3 years we have been associated with the Goenzo Festakar, and he has been giving opportunity to differently able persons at each of his festivals. And all his festivals, including this Ponsache Fest, is a very inclusive festival, because not only it is accessible, but it is also giving opportunities to persons with disabilities to perform or to put up a stall at the. It also helps us to create awareness on various disability issues.
कशी आसा तुमी आनी कशें दिसलें तुमकां आयज पणसाच्या फेस्ताक येवन आनी तुवें कितें रांदलें आयज वर्कशॉप आसलें न्ही कसलें वर्कशॉप केलें
हांवें पणसाचें केलें आनी दोण्याचें केलें
सो तुमी कितें पणस कातोरपाक शिकयलें
हय हांवें पणस कातोरपाक शिकयलें मागीर कोहो काट कोत्ता मागीर काडून खाता तें शिकयलें
खावपाकूय शिकयलें म्हाका शिकोवंक ना म्हाका मेळोंक ना येता आतां सो पणस कातोरपाक इजी काय डिफिकल्ट ओ तुमकां हॅबीट जाला ओके एंड वॉट अबाउट शेफ मारिया तुवें पुढे केलें सो कशें कोत्ता तें कितें इनग्रिडियंट्स आनी कितें घालताय ताका तूं सदांच कोत्ता
ना जेन्ना फेस्त येता तेन्ना कोत्ता
ओके ओके आनीक तुमी गोड उजार कोत्ता ताका आनी तांदूळ सो कसले तांदूळ
उकडे
सुरोय घालपाक जाय जाल्यार म्हाका घालूंक जायना
हाड जाता
ओ ओके सो द करेक्ट इज उकडे तांदूळ घालपाक ओके सो बरें लागताले आनी आनी
पिसीस गोरे घाल्ले हेजे पणसांचे
ओ रियली वाव दॅट इज रियली इनोवेटीव फॉर द पणसाचे फेस्ट सो फेस्ताकार बाब तुमकां जायत्यो आयडियाज दिता तर येस या सो
कोत्ताक
सो तुवें आतां स्टॉल घातला आनी कितें हाडलां आयज
हांवें सोरपातेल हाडलां सुंगटां हाडलां फ्राय करून मागीर चोरीस पाव हाडलां क्रोकेट्स हाडलां
ओ वाव लवली जोसेफ मागीर या आमी स्टॉलार शेफ मारियान कितें हाडलां
हांवें चॉप्स हाडल्या चिकन चॉप्स पिझ्झा क्रोझन पिकल बिबीक पिनाग्र
सो तुमी आतां चाव नाका पूण येतली आमी कोल्ड ड्रिंक पिवपाक
म्हजें नांव सुमन थंय भितर आतां हें आसा कितें सांग आर्ट केला पळय लोकांनी ते उलाचें बी केलां तें बेस्ट केलां आनी तेजे फाटल्यान जें आसा न्ही ते आंधळे हें आसात पळय ते पेंटींग बेस्ट पेंटींग केलां तेणी हय हय बरें आशिल्लें आनी सगळ्यांनी पाव आनी ते हें कितें कितें केलां न्ही पदार्थ बेस्ट बरें आशिल्लें हय हय गोवन ट्रेडिशन आनी फणस बी बरें हें केल्यात
म्हजें नांव जनाया फेर्नांडीस आनी हांव म्हजें फर्स्ट इयर करता
आनी आयज हांव पणसाच्या फेस्ताक येयल्लें. म्हाका पणस खूब आवडटा सो पप्पाक सांगलें म्हाका व्हर म्हणून. स्टॉलां जायतीं आसा पळोवनूय खूब खोशी भोगली आनी लायक म्हाका चड उमेदूय येयली हिंगा येवपाक. सो आतां हांवें पप्पाक सांगलें एक पणस घे म्हणून म्हाका आनी हय जालें. ना थोडे थोडे करून खातले. थोडे पणसाचे चिप्स करता मागीर लोणचें करता आनी भिकणां थोडीं जाण उकडटा आनी खाता नाजाल्यार भाजून खाता तशें. म्हाका तें लायक ना पण ट्राय करतलें एक खावन. पणस लायक थोडे जाण म्हणटा की पणस बरो म्हणून खावंक जाय म्हणून. थोड्यांक कापो आवडटा थोड्यांक रसाळ आवडटा. सो म्हाका रसाळ आवडटा खूब पण हांव कापोय तसो खाता तशें कांय ना पण रसाळाचें लायक हांव फॅन कशें.
Ponsache Fest is to promote jackfruits. So it is a very good idea that Mauritius has come up with to promote the various Goan heritage. Okay, and we need to conserve our jackfruit trees, fruit trees, and all the fruit-bearing trees in Goa, which are slowly diminishing because of the constructions which are going on in Goa at a very rapid stage.
म्हजें नांव अलिना देरावजो आनी हांव सांताक्रूजचे गांवांत. हांगा हो जो पणसाचे फेस्त पळोवन आमकां खूब खुशालकाय भोगली आनी खरें म्हणल्यार खरेंच वेगवेगळे हांगा तरेचे जिनस केल्ले आसा आनी तशेंच बरे हांगासर फळां आसा जी पणस अननस आनी तशेंच जाय खूब क्रोशे खूब तांणी क्रिएटीव वर्क तांच्यांनी केल्लें आसा. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणल्यार हांगा वेगवेगळे कलाकारांनी जाणी आपली पदां म्हणून गायनां बरो आवाज काडून तांची गितां गायनां खूब बरे तरेन जाल्लीं आसा आनी सगळो लोक आपलो उमेदीन एकामेका कडेन वागून तांचे सगळें पळोवन ज्यूस बीन सगळे वेगवेगळे तरेचे हांगा आसा आनी अशे तरेन लोक खंयच्या पयसलो तसो लागचो लोक हांगा येवन आपले हांगा पणसाचे फेस्त बरे तरेन मनयता आनी आमकांय बीन बरें खूब खूश दिसता की अशे आमच्यो मारयोन अशे वेगवेगळे खंयच्या दुसऱ्या जाग्यांनी असो हो प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडून लोक खूब उमेदीन भरता आनी सगळ्यांक बरी खुशालकाय मेळटा आनी तांचे जशे वेगवेगळे लोक खूब वेगवेगळ्या गांवचे कलेन जे हांगासरलो एकटो तालिगांवचो चेर आपले बरे उमेदीन तो आपली कला दाखयता. हांगा तुमकां कोणाकूय जाय जाल्यार तुमी ताजे कडल्यान म्हायती घेवन ताणें आपले एड्रेस फोन नंबर बरयल्लो आसा आनी तुमी ताका कॉन्टेक्ट करून तुमी तुमच्यांनी तुमचें कितें आसा चेर बी करपाचें जाल्यार तुमी ताजे कडल्यान येवन करून घेवचें.
सो आमी आतां पळयत जाल्यार आयज आमी पणसाच्या फेस्ताक आहा. तुवें म्हाका सांगलें दॅट तुवें पणसाचे पुडे केल्या म्हूण सारकें. आदल्या तेंपार पणसाचें कितें कोत्तालें?
साठ कोत्तालीं मागीर बाकरेचो कोत्तालीं.
आनी आतां करिना तुमी?
आतां करिना पयलीं कोत्तालें.
सो तुजी मामी कोत्ताली आनी तुजी ग्रॅनी कोत्ताली. सो आमगेर पणसाचे साठां कोत्ताय मागीर कॉफी कोत्ताय जाणा तुमी आयकॉन माझी मामा जॅकफ्रूट सिड्सांचे ते ड्राय करून कॉफी करता अटेम्प्ट करता बिकॉज इट इज ग्लुटन फ्री सो तें कोत्ताय आनीक कितें तुमी जॅकफ्रुटाचें कोत्ता सो वी ऑल्सो प्रिपेर रोस द नॉर्मल बीन्स रोस or चोण्याचो रोस and then we add the jackfruit seeds in that. So you know when we have all these things, I really wonder how Goa was in the yesteryears. And when we come for and be a part of Festakar Mario's festivals, it gives us a glimpse of the olden days Goa. And that is the beauty of it. Thank you so much, and many thanks to News Matters for supporting all our festivals. And thank you to Goinzo Festakar for having us as a part of his team. And yeah, we shall always support the festivals. This is his 84th festival and also celebrating the 24th World Goa Day, which he had started 24 years ago at Samantiyesh Bondera. So we shall continue the celebrations. Happy Ponsache Fest!
हय म्हाका पणस खूब आवडटा ताचे गरे काडून आमी खाता आनी तशेंच ताचे वेगवेगळे पदार्थ आमी करता जशे तरेन आमी ताची भाकरी करता आनी तो पणस ताचे घरे काडून सुकोवन आमी ताजे ते आमी भायर सुद्दां धाडटात लंडन अशें खूब कडेन लोकांनी साठोवन ती साठां म्हणून करता आनी ती साठां आमी भायर जे लंडन अमेरिकाक लोक ते खातात सो अशे तरेन की आमी 2 दिसांनी तसो पणस खावन ताजे आमी हें करूंक जायना तर ते साठां करून सुद्दां दुसऱ्या गांवांनी पावोवन त्यांनी ते खावंक पावतात अशें करून हांव दोनी म्हजी उतरां सांगून हांगाच सोंपयता देव बरें करूं
It was a real pleasure to be visiting this Ponsache Fest, curated and well organized by a committee which included Nicole Suarez and many of the known faces that are working very hard to keep up the old Goan traditions and Goan way of life. That includes Marius Goan Festakar, Miguel Braganza and many others, even if I have not named them, who lend support to such festivals. We wish that these traditions of Goa and Goans are maintained and carried forward by the generations to come. Yes, the food is very much Goan and I think reminds us of the old Goan food that is prepared in our traditional kitchens. There is the Goan pickles are there, like pickles like Kantache pickle and mango pickle, which are now not very much seen. So is some preparations like Samare Chikodi and many other preparations which are on display and for sale. I'm sure people will relish them.